Now let's come to question number 4. So in this question they have given this figure and we have triangle PQR. Okay. Now these three are the medians and in that one median they have given PT. So PT is the median. Now three medians join at a point and this point is centroid, which is denoted by G. Now the question is we have to find length of PT and length of PG. They have given length of GT. Now we know in a triangle median is divided by this point centroid in 2:1 ratio. So 2:1 means this is your 2 and this will be 1. 2:1 ratio. Okay, this is smaller distance and this is double. Now they have given GT is equal to 2.5. So we will write here GT is equal to 2.5. This is given. Now we know in triangle PQR PG is to GT, that is PG is to GT is equal to 2:1. Okay. Now PG upon GT is equal to 2 upon 1. This we have written cross multiplication. PG into 1 is PG. GT into 2 is 2GT. This PG is equal to 2 into GT is 2.5. That 2.5 we have written here. 2 into 2.5 is 5. So PG is equal to 5. We have got PG. This distance is equal to 5. Now we have to find total distance of median, that is PT. PT is equal to, we can write PG plus GT. So PG is 5 plus GT is 2.5. 5 plus 2.5 is 7.5. So length of median PT is 7.5.